The term monoblock wheels are often called as one-piece forged wheels, mono meaning one, and block meaning it was created from one block of aluminum. Following the unit of metal is forged, the wheel blank is then flow formed to create the outer barrel shape. Following that process, the wheel blank is loaded into a CNC milling machine, and there the spoke pattern is milled out. Forged wheels are built to order and custom tailored to your needs. Therefore, PCD, size, width, offset, color combination, can all be specifically manufactured as per your needs. It is the lightest and strongest of all, can be made in perfect fitment. Because of their one-piece construction, and forged aluminum makeup, forged monoblock rims are the lightest of any custom forged rims. The little weight assists to decrease load at the center of the wheel of car, hence guiding to quicker acceleration, superior lateral grip, faster braking and enhanced fuel efficiency. Monoblock wheels provide great strength, weight, and performance benefits over the rim kinds. We can supply the monoblock wheel from size 17-inch to 22-inch. Accept your OEM designs and fitment data of the rims to fit with your car. Is there anything I can help with the wheels, rims, or wheel barrel lips? Please feel free to contact me. Skype, AullyXie. Email, ollie@hotmail.com. Website, www.ollie.com. Thanks for watching our video of the wheel rims. We are TS16949 wheel rims manufacturer in China. We not only sell the monoblock forged wheel rims, 2-piece wheels, and 3-piece custom forged wheels, but also sell the forged barrels for 2-piece wheels, and inner barrels, outer lips for 3-piece forged wheels, step lips barrels, etc. Please feel free to contact us. Skype, AullyXie. Email, ollie@hotmail.com. Website, www.ollie.com.